the art of simplicity. MiniTec stands for quality, passion, and the highest technical standards. Aluminum profiles form the core of the product range, and the simple modular principle makes them the perfect solution for countless applications. With their targeted approach and extensive experience, the MiniTec experts offer advanced solutions in the fields of mechanical engineering and automation. Passion and solution-oriented thinking enable us to understand exactly what our customers need. Thanks to innovative connection technology, all systems are practical and easy to assemble. Customers worldwide rely on our high quality and many years of expertise in automation and mechanical engineering. The motto, "The Art of Simplicity," offers solutions even for complex systems. In addition to profiles, our construction kit includes a wide range of components and parts for linear systems and constructions of all kinds. With our free iCAD assembler tool, you can easily create designs yourself. State-of-the-art warehousing and efficient machining processes ensure that our aluminum profiles are available quickly and easily. Adapted to customer requirements with the highest precision, each profile is perfectly prepared for use in the respective area of application. Endless possibilities in the hands of our customers. Comprehensive warehousing enables us to respond quickly to customer requirements. Proven in practice, we use what we offer ourselves. Whether complete systems, assemblies, or individual components, we support our customers from initial ideas through to implementation and beyond. We build machines and systems that increase and optimize our customers' productivity. Our solutions are just as individual as the requirements. We live Industry 4.0 and offer tomorrow's technologies today. MiniTec Smart Assist is an innovative solution to support employees in assembly, warehousing, and shipping. We also offer customized solutions for the fire and rescue service and vehicle conversion. Highest precision, innovative implementation, and smooth processes are our main focus in order to provide our customers with all the tools they need to implement their plans. MiniTec. We stand for customer-oriented problem solutions. We are here for you.